In Pipedrive, you have people, organizations, deals, and activities. People and organizations have their own individual profile pages which hold long-term information. Organizations are kind of like motherships of data, and they can contain multiple people. If you had to document a company address, for instance, then you'd want to keep this information in your organization profile. That way you don't have to jot it down over and over again in each of your people's profiles. Instead, this information will be referenced in any person or deal that will be associated with this organization. Now, people are the individuals you deal with. Any information you document on a person's profile should be specific to that one person. People and organizations can also be connected to deals which exist in your pipeline. Now, deals are a visual representation of the conversations you're having between the salesperson and the contact. Deals are then tracked through the customizable stages of your sales pipeline until they're lost or won. Because deals are of a more temporary nature, then you could have multiple deals open for the same contacts and not worry about redundant data entry, because Pipedrive will always keep your contacts on file and will always maintain a record of all history and happenings for those contacts. Last of all, you have activities, which are the actual scheduled tasks that you perform from day to day. Activities are very important as these are what prioritize your deals and keep you focused on the ones that are scheduled for now or ones that are overdue. It's through the completion of your activities that your deals progress through the pipeline and lead to the closing of a deal, which is related to your contacts.